everyone. Is there anyone who would not like watching movies in the world? We all admire movies and love to get entertained in different genres. Every year, there are over 2500 movies getting released. We are not watching all of them, but we are watching few best and famous movies that worth our money and time. So let's have a look at the top 10 best highest grossing movies of all time. Number 10, Frozen 2. Released in 2019, being an animated movie, it won the hearts of adults, not only kids, and managed to earn $1.44 billion. Number 9. Furious 7. Whoever in the world loved cars might not have missed away any of the Fast and Furious movies. Hero 7 was the seventh part of the Fast and Furious series, and even though the actor Paul Walker actually died while the movie was in the production, it became the most loved movie of the year and the whole series. This movie got nominated in 20 award ceremonies in different categories and won 8 awards in 2015 and 2016. This movie managed to earn $1.51 billion. Number 8. The Avengers. We have Avengers as the most loved movie in 2012 and made many records in that year. It is a very close movie to the Marvel fans. This movie managed to earn $1.5 billion. Number 7. Lion King. Lion King got released in 2019. This movie is a short replica of The Lion King released in 1994. The directors were able to prove them wrong by giving it in a new feel and by adding significant changes, which eventually made people love the movie. This movie managed to earn $1.65 billion. Number 6. Jurassic World. Well, the closest image that most of us have of dinosaurs will be from the movie Jurassic Park, isn't it? The image tells you that they were not just big but scary as well. The Jurassic World was the fourth chapter of Jurassic Park franchise and was also the most successful movie. It got nominated for many awards in different categories. It managed to earn $1.66 billion. Number 5. Avengers Infinity War. The end of the war was pretty sad. People were more interested to know that what will happen in the endgame than they were about the end of the Infinity War. And after that, everyone in the world started proposing theories about what will happen in the endgame, and due to so much popularity, managed to earn $2.4 billion. Number 4. Star Wars The Force Awakens. This film smashed several box office records during its theatrical run. It was the quickest film to pass $1 billion mark in just 12 days. It was also the highest grossing films of 2015, and not just the highest grossing film, it also the highest gross films of Disney Studio. It managed to earn $2.6 billion. Number 3. Titanic. Who doesn't know about Titanic other than being the only drama in the list of top 10 highest grossing movies, which was released before the year 2000. And you might be already knowing that Titanic is based on the real life story of the ship Titanic. It is a massive success and it managed to earn $2.2 billion. Number 2. Avengers Endgame. All-time personal favorite for all the Avenger fans, which is the last sequel of the Avengers, where all our favorite heroes came together and beat Thanos and his army. In the end of the movie, Iron Man said the 4 magical words where people get crazy. The highest grossing superhero movie of all time is Avengers Endgame with $2.79 billion. Number 1. The movie which is the top grossing movies of all time, which beats the Avengers by a very small margin, is Avatar, which is released in the year 2009 and was in the second spot until the re-release of the movie. And in just 2 days after the re-release, Avatar again became the highest grossing movie, and as per the announcements by the directors, there will be sequels of Avatar movie where the first part of sequel will be released in 2002. Speaking of success, the Avatar collected $2.8 billion. Thank you.